The market is going through a bit of a deep breath. That was my dramatic pause for this weekend. Right now, don't really have much going on. We're just kind of trading sideways, and that's fine. Okay. Consolidation is important, especially when you go on these crazy runs like we have over the last month and a half here. And what I'll say is, in terms of ADA right now, we're facing that same consolidation. We have three straight days of red candles. We're kind of fighting still in this 35 to 40 cent range, and that's okay. And I will say right now, what we're looking at is it looks like a little bit of a trap. Now, the question is it bullish? Is it bearish? Well, ADA is in fact showing great support at this 35 cent level. It's come down, it's touched this several times, and it's remaining strong. But we're also fighting against this top trend line. We're not making much headway here. So I think it's important that we look at something like BTC to see what direction we might be headed. And what we're seeing, in fact, is that BTC is in fact creating higher lows here on the hourly chart. Now, this all started on the 14th. We continue to create higher lows here. Now, we have stalled out at the top here. We're sitting around this 36.5 level, and we're not making much headway there. So BTC needs to make a bit of a move at some point today. Actually, by the time that you guys watch this video, we may have already made this move, but it looks like, again, it's either going to make an aggressive move to the upside or an aggressive move to the downside. As always, this is not financial advice, but that's what these periods kind of lead to. We are seeing the RSI start to drop. We're seeing the momentum indicators kind of drop. So those are a little bit bearish in terms of signs, but right now it doesn't seem like there's people that are really willing to go through big liquidations. We've obviously seen that the bears are opening up short positions. They're trying to drive the market down, but they're getting weaker as time goes on here. Unless you see some big entities come out and open really big short positions and see long positions liquidated, I don't know if we have much that's going to really push us down here. We still are on a bullish trend. We're still ascending, and that is good for ADA, because remember, ADA has a very strong correlation with BTC right now. It leads me to believe that we're going to make a little bit more similar to a move again to what we saw at the start of the year. We're going to likely consolidate here for maybe just a little bit longer and then kind of start to make our move to the upside here. As always, this is not financial advice, but we may not get much movement this weekend. Saturday, Sunday may be pretty boring. We may be slightly red. We might be going through, maybe a 1% drop, something like that, kind of similar to what we're seeing across the market right now. ADA is down 3.6% on the 24-hour, but I don't know how much negative momentum we get here. Just know that if ADA does in fact fall out of this range, we have to fight through a couple ranges of support, 34 cents, 32 cents, but there's going to be a bounce, I believe, somewhere in here. It's just a question of how low we go, when it's going to happen. But if we do get to drop again, that's just more opportunities for us. When we look at the long-term projections for ADA, we look at what can happen in a bull market cycle. Doesn't really matter to me whether it's 36 cents, 34 cents, 32 cents right now. Those, again, I look at as opportunities to continue adding to my bag. So as always, again, this is not financial advice. You guys can do what you want, but this is what I am watching as we roll through the weekend here and hopefully have an explosive Monday. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts about where you think we're going to head by Monday, but have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.